Hi, thanks for joining me here today. This is Sharon from Sharon's Place, and I have a great recipe for you. It's called Simply Southern Biscuits. I've placed the recipe within the video, done captions, and also placed the recipe in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tap that notification bell. Here's the recipe. I did it in several different sections to give you a chance to look at it. And don't forget, I placed it in the description box also.
Trying to do a little small video here to show you how I turn this over. You have to keep your hands floured. It is a hands-on thing. These biscuits are.
And thank you for watching.